this to solid flesh would melt, thaw, and resolve itself into a dew. Or that the everlasting had not fixed his cannon against self-slaughter. Oh God. God. How weary, stale, flat, and unprofitable seem to me all the uses of this world. What the fuck did you just do? Oh,
Pull your skirt down, acting
Oh.
like you've never seen blood before.
it got my fucking mouth!
Relax, this is part of the plan.
Well, since when?
This was always a part of his plan. He was dead either way.
Oh. What if she doesn't drop the money off?
We got the password, 6714.
How about a little professional courtesy?
All right, cut. All right.
What the fuck did you do?
Pull your skirt down. I've like never seen blood before.
Got in my fucking mouth.
Relax. This was all part of the plan.
Since when?
This was always part of his plan. He was dead either way.
What if she doesn't drop off the money?
We got the password, 6741.
All right, cut. Intensity. Less happy, but still confident. And endearment. All right, that's good. All right, thank you.